Hello. This is gonna be the user guide for the supervisor tier of the BOLOv8.0 application. Before you could begin, you would have to have been given credentials by the root administrator, which would come in an email like this, giving the URL of the application. In this case, it's localhost. The username, demo, supervisor, and your first time password. We're just gonna copy this. When you first log in, you're gonna have to reset your password. Make sure it follows the specific criteria and guidelines. So when you first log in, you're sent to this page, which shows you different bolos created from different agencies by different users. As supervisor, you're able to not only view all bolos, but you're also able to archive bolos which were made within the same agency. Um, Before we get into that, first let's create our own bolo. So I'm going to create a bolo. Up here is a tag called internal. So basically what internal means is it allows you to view bolos. It allows you to create bolos specifically for your agency. So bolos created within internal cannot be viewed outside of your agency. In this case, our agency is FIU. So I'm going to check this just for later demoing purposes. Within the bolo creation, we have feature image, and feature image is whatever image is going to be shown on the forefront of the bolo, which gets displayed on the home page. And image uploads are optional, but they can be used as images to provide further detail. For example, if I was to create a missing person report, say these two are missing, I could have feature image of this random sketch out, which I think will further help find the people within this featured image. The categories are follow: auto boat theft, which lists all the requirements needed to find a car: year, model, make, VIN, color, license plate number. Boat theft: year, manufacturer, model, type, registration number, all the necessary information you would need for boat theft, and of course our general category. For now, this general category will be missing person, and I'm gonna create a random name, Jane Doe. Date of birth, 01/01, 2001. License plate number, just gonna create random information. Gonna pause just to fit. Okay, I finished populating this list of information. Um, Video link is if we have a respective YouTube video to link this crime to. Additional information, I'm just gonna put test. Summary, I'm just gonna put test. Oh, rest. Haha, test. And here we have a preview button that basically lets you preview the creation. So here we get a general idea how the flyer is going to look before actually creating it. Go back, submit. Now I have to confirm my email. I have to confirm with my email the bolo that I've just created. And here's my bolo. The part of being able to be a supervisor is you're only able to archive bolos created by your agency. Um, and you could only edit your specific bolos. So if I decided that there's something in here that I wanted to edit, I could go in here and edit the information and change it. For now, we're gonna leave it as is. Um, so we're gonna archive a bolo created by this officer. And as you can see, this bolo is gone, it's archived. Up here, we can filter bolos by agency. Right now, this is all the bolos created by FIU. Internals. All these bolos are also internal. My bolos, which I specifically created, or by specific agency, I have FIU2, which has this yellow Ferrari, and Gmail department, which has this red Ferrari. Now over here within archive, we can see the bolo that we've archived. We can view it and look at the specific details. Go back. Agent directory allows us to see the different directories. We can look at FIU2, where this is a shield, it has no watermark, this is its logo. And we can also search. I believe I named the summary information test. And here we got all the bolos I created with the summary test. If you would like to filter it, let's say we want to filter it by general. Search test. And back. Only the general bolos with that footnote test is only appearing. Of course, you can check your account information. Here, demo supervisor, my email, badge number, rank. You can change password. And you could also get notifications. So let's say I wanted to subscribe to what's happening in the Gmail department. I submit that. Go back to notifications. And now I'll receive notifications from whatever happens in the Gmail department. If I would like to generate a bolo PDF, I go to details on any bolo, click generated PDF. And now I can print this out and post wherever I need to, or use this wherever I need to. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know as a supervisor.